Well, how y'all doing? It's PawPaw again. Man, look at this little thing. I'd actually been wanting one of these for a while. This little cordless chainsaw. Oh, I need to tighten up the bar. Little cordless chainsaw by BangGood. 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 They sent this to me with 2 battery packs. Two batteries, lithium ion, a charger, a little wrench for the nut right there, and a flathead screwdriver for the Phillips screws. Let me show you what come with it. Okay. Well, there's the other battery pack. And now the charger they sent got the European plug on it, but they sent an adapter which works in our house current here in the United States. This little wrench right here is for the nut there on the bar, and this straight head screwdriver, you know, that's pretty nice, but the screws on here are Phillips. They didn't send a dadgum instruction one, not a one of them. So you got to just be able to figure out how to put a puzzle together by yourself. I will tell you that not only are these extremely affordable, but they're also going to let me give one away. Let's see, tomorrow is Thursday, 1, 2, 3, July 10th. July 10th, it's a Saturday. So Saturday night, July 10th, about 8:30, I hope to come online if I don't oversleep again. Come online July 10th at 8:30, and then we'll have us a drawing following later. And somebody is going to win a handheld, portable, wireless, battery-powered chainsaw. Now folks, this chainsaw is not intended for you to go out here and cut 3 cords of wood to heat your house this winter. But man, you talk about handy. Can you imagine you're up on a ladder and just need to trim some limbs out of the tree? Shoot, you just reach up there. This thing only weighs about 2.5 pounds. It's nice. Like everything else, you know, I'm sure we can guess where it's made. Although, nowhere on here does it say it. Didn't say it, well, I didn't get any literature with it. But you go to BangGood, I might be able to screw up a viewer discount, I don't know. For those of you who wondered where's old PawPaw been, shoot, I hurt my back. Oh man, I wasn't good for nothing for a while. My camera died, so I went and bought another camera. That's the one I used to film the dishwasher. And that daggum camera, it don't have the viewfinder where I can see myself. See, I stand here and I can see myself in this one. Should have had turned around so I wouldn't be standing up here talking, but anyway, finally got my new camera today, so I wanted to get this video made, get it out there to you. So check it out, BangGood, get you one. They're cheap. I'm sure it won't last 100 years, but there's been several times I've said, man, I wish I had just that little old saw, just so I could trim a limb out of my way like when I'm out at the farm and mowing the yard on the riding lawnmower and tree limb hanging down. Boy, if I had something like this, I could just reach up there, cut that rascal off, and go on about my mowing. Well, folks, I appreciate each and every one of you. Bear with me. My beard will come back. I get that psoriasis, and I have to put lotion on my face every now and then. I went 2 years without shaving. It'll all grow back. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Bye, everybody.